February 3rd, 70 degrees out, so it's time to check the hives. Normally we don't check them much during the winter. If we fed them right, they should be fine, but since it's been a weird winter, I'm going to go see how they're doing. And I fed them fondant, made sure they had honey, but since it's really warm out, that means the bees will be active, they'll eat things faster, so it's time to check. So here we go, putting on my gloves, getting ready, and all I'm going to do is lift the hives up from the back and just judge by weight how healthy I think they are. It's a pretty simple technique, certainly not foolproof, but it's pretty obvious when something's wrong. And so here are my two strongest hives. I'm pausing a little so you can see the little bees flying in and out of the tiny instance reducer. But yeah, all we gotta do is pick them up from the back and see how much they weigh. So each of these weigh about 30 or 40 pounds, which is a pretty good weight to them. Gotta shimmy this one back a little so I can grab it. And the idea is that if this is okay, I'll let it ride. If they're not okay, then I will need to do something about it quickly. So these are my two splits. They went in a little weak, so I'm going to lift these up and you can see how much I tip it. Whoop! Almost completely flip it over because these feel like they weigh about 10 pounds, which means they've got a problem. So now we're going to look in the front, and there are bees flying, so they're not dead, but they're in danger. So I'm going to pop the lid off this one. Even though I don't have a smoker, I'm just going to hope they don't get too mad at me. And we'll see what's going on. And you can't see easy, but basically there are bees all over the tops of the frames. Everything's picked clean. They're completely out of food, so I need to get some emergency food for them immediately. There you go.